Today, we're going to be opening the Accio monthly subscription box for July 2020. Okay, so for those of you who have been here with me before, welcome back. As you know, this is a monthly subscription box. They are a subscription box that appreciates small businesses. They like to do things that are biodegradable and good for the environment, all kinds of really great things, and that's why I like supporting them. They usually have really great boxes, so hopefully this one will have a lot of good items in it as well. I know some of the items in the last couple months have been a little lackluster, so we're going to see what they've got for us this month. So I think that the theme of this box might be Dumbledore, if I remember correctly from an Instagram post, but I'm not 100% sure, so right off the bat, because there's black tissue paper, that lets us know that there's no house-related items in here, and if you are new, just so you know, you can pick what house you are in, so if there is a house-related item, it will be in your correct Hogwarts house. So let's see what we've got. Oh, we've got a little box right off the bat here. Okay, so I feel like it's a little oil. And it's sherbet lemon essential oil. It's for a diffuser. And that's by Origami Rabbit. Okay, that's cool. I don't have a diffuser, but I know a lot of people that do. But let me go ahead and see how this smells. So this almost smells like a baked lemon scent to me. Like it almost smells like a lemon cookie or a lemon bread. But it does smell very good. So that is a good one. Like I said, I don't have a diffuser, so can't really use that. Oh, we got a pin. And it says, "He asked calmly." And this is by Muggleborn Sisters. Let me get this out of the plastic. Okay, so this is a really pretty pin. It's got the glittery enamel in there, and it does say, "He asked calmly," which is, of course, referring to the scene in the Goblet of Fire movie where Michael Gambon kind of screams, "Harry, did you put your name in the Goblet of Fire?" So I think that's really funny. And Muggleborn Sisters have really great stuff. If you've never checked them out, I highly recommend you do so. Ooh, we got a pretty velvet bag here. Ooh. So we have a coin. I think it's a Dumbledore's Army coin. Hang on. Okay, this is really pretty. So I don't know how well you guys are going to be able to see this. It is, in fact, a so I think it's supposed to be the galleon that had the Dumbledore's Army stuff on it, so then that way when there was a meeting, they knew about it. But if it was ever in somebody's pocket, they would just turn it out and it would just appear to be a regular galleon. So that's really, really pretty. I'm not sure who made that, but it's very nicely done. It's really, really pretty. Okay, I like that. It's probably my favorite item in the box so far. Oh, we got a shirt. And their shirts are really very soft, and they hold up really nicely. Ooh, this is an interesting color. Okay, hang on. Okay. So this is like a maroony color almost. It's like an eggplant maroon color. And it says, "It is important to fight and fight again and keep fighting." And then it has some of the hands with the wands. And I think this is a really great quote, especially for right now with everything going on in the world. So, yeah, I like this. I think it's a really different shirt. And it's just a nice nod to Harry Potter, which I think is really nice. So, yeah, I love the color of this. It's really unique. It's not a color we normally see in any of these subscription boxes. And I think there's one more thing in here. It looks like it might be a piece of art. Okay, so we got a nice piece that says, "Happiness can be found even in the darkest of times if one only remembers to turn on the light." This is one of my absolute favorite Dumbledore quotes, and this is really nice. It's very simple. It's understated. It looks like it's printed on like a watercolor paper, so that's really nice. Yeah, I don't know that the image itself is my favorite, but it is a nice quote, and I don't know, it isn't bad. Can't say it's my favorite piece of art I've ever seen in any of these boxes. Okay, so I believe that's it. So let's go ahead and get the Accio Profit out. So this is in fact the Albus box. So it says, one of the things we appreciate about our favorite book series is how much it is willing to show that no one is perfect, not even our heroes. Something Harry discovers to be true with Headmaster. Though he was certainly flawed, Albus gave us many moments of poignant wisdom, and this box celebrates him for the good he brought to the magical world and to Harry's life. We hope you enjoy this month's curation. So we have the Fight and Keep on Fighting super soft t-shirt, and that is an Accio box exclusive. We have the He Asked Calmly glittered enamel Muggleborn Sisters pin. And then we have the DA gold coin, and this is by DA headquarters. Okay, so it says, this beautiful collector's item is no ordinary galleon. Plated in 24 karat gold, these gorgeous coins feature the DA headquarters logo, along with the date of the last meeting of the DA, which is May 2nd, 1998, the day of the Great Battle. Find more replicas and other curations from DA headquarters at dahq.etsy.com. This coin is beautiful, and yeah, I love this piece. I will definitely be putting that somewhere on my shelves. And then we have the Sherbet Lemon Scented Oil, which obviously was Dumbledore's favorite candy, and that is by Origami Rabbit. And then we have the Happiness Quote, which is the exclusive 8x10 watercolor print, and this is again an Accio exclusive. So yeah, I mean, I think this was a decent box. If I had a diffuser, I'd really like this oil, but I don't use a diffuser, so can't say that I am going to use that too much, but I will give that to one of my friends that has a diffuser and uses it regularly and loves lemon, so I feel like that'll be appropriate. I do like this pin. I think it's funny. I like the shirt, and I love this coin. So all in all, I would say this was a decent box. I can't say it's my favorite, and just so you guys know, the September box is going to be items that they've had in the past, and I chose to actually skip that box just because it's items that some of them I've already received. The other ones that I hadn't received weren't something that I was super interested in. But if you are interested in some of the past items, especially the Potter Stinks Cedric Diggory badge that they had, that's really awesome, that is going to be in that September box. And I believe they are still open for you to order right now. So if you haven't subscribed to them and you do want some of those items, I recommend you checking out their Instagram post. It has every item that's going to be in that box since it is a past item box. So I'm not sure what the August box theme is. We'll find out what that is. But just so you guys know, I will not be opening a September box on here since a lot of those items are things that I already had. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. What did you guys think of this box? What was your favorite item? And if you guys like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And we will catch you guys later. Thanks so much.